Hello everyone, my name is Peter Steele, and today I wanted to showcase a cool piece of tech that was built by a friend on Twitter. If you're like many others, there are certain things on Twitter that you just don't want to see, or you've seen repeated over and over to the point of exhaustion on your part. This neat tool is called the Enhanced Twitter Post Hider, and it was created by Victoria. I'll be linking her page down in the comments if you want to drop her a follow, and I highly recommend that you do. And it aims to add additional granularity and functionality to Twitter's rather lackluster word muting functionality. So with that brief intro out of the way, let's dive right into how to install this user script and how to get it all set up. Now, since this is a user script, you will need to install a browser plugin first to be able to actually install and run it. And since the script was built with TamperMonkey in mind, I'm going to go ahead with that and utilize it for this demonstration. Now, to be able to download TamperMonkey, we just click on this green check mark here. What we're going to do is go right here under Chrome and TamperMonkey. Click on that, click Add to Chrome, and click Add Extension. It's really simple. Now it's going to open up a little page here. We can close that out and we don't have to worry about it. So once you have TamperMonkey installed, what we need to do is then go back over to the Greasy Fork page. So that way we can actually install the user script and get everything set up and running. So I'm just going to hit the back button here a couple times. And this install script button, you're going to want to make sure that you click on that. Should automatically open up the TamperMonkey dashboard here. And then we're just going to simply click on the install and let it do its thing. It's pretty quick. But as long as you see the reinstall version and the version number, you're good to go. So now that everything is installed, let's head back over to Twitter and see it in action and how to use it. So first, the thing that we need to do is we need to go into the More section, and then we're going to go under the Settings and Privacy, Privacy and Safety, and then under Mute and Block. So here you'll see the muted words, which is the one built in by Twitter by default. And then we also have the enhanced muted words, which is run under this user script. So if we click on this, see that we have different ways to add phrases, words, regular expressions, and we can use that to either hide or fully remove the content that you do not wish to see. Pretty simple to use. All you got to do is click this Add Row button and then type in the phrase or word that you're looking to mute or hide. So in this case here, I'm going to do as a. If you're on the tech Twitter side of things, you'll know that this is a pretty common one that you'll see from a lot of engagement farmers that are just saying, as a developer, do you like this or do you like that? As a developer, do you want to do this or that? Like, it's super, super annoying and people just can't stand it. So this is one of the most common ones you'll come across. We'll put in the phrase, and then this next section here, the regex, which is short for regular expressions, allows you to use this phrase either as a regular expression search or to not. So in this case here, we're just going to set it to no. I just want to mute anything that is considered or has that as a phrase inside of it. And then the next one here, we have the remove post. Now this one allows you to fully remove the post from your timeline, like completely gone. Or you can just leave it off, which will then just put like a little message that it's hidden. You can click on it and view it if you wish to do so. Think of it kind of like the NSFW filters that you see on some sites where it'll just kind of block stuff. You can click it if you want, or just ignore it and move on. But it takes it a step further by fully removing it from your timeline feed as well, if you so choose to do so. The next one is the include username. Now this one, again, pretty self-explanatory. You can do phrases in the usernames if you want to block certain usernames. And you can fully remove them from your timeline as well if you have the remove post turned on, and it'll include the username as part of that search. Then we have our mute count and a remove row button. To save it, all we need to do is click save, and it's saved successfully. Now, if you'd like to use regular expressions, Victoria has provided a link inside of the information down here to the regular expression generator. And this will help you generate the needed regular expressions so you don't have to run off and learn anything on your own. And it just makes it a lot easier. And that's really about it. We'll pop over here. We will close this, go to our home page and see if we can't come across anything that might come up. Content hidden due to the rule, and it gives you the rule name, and then click to show. And then you can click show. And somewhere in here is going to be as a. So it's a pretty broad term. I would probably narrow the scope down to more specifics of what I was looking for, but that's how it works in a nutshell. I will say that she did not ask me to make this video or endorse this tool that she made, but it's really neat, and I thought others would find it really useful. And so I wanted to really share it with you guys here. Thank you for watching. Again, I'll have everything down in the comments below. And you guys should definitely drop her a follow. She's, like I said, an awesome engineer, and you can learn quite a bit from her. So I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks.